Health Ministry ki sana Kanglon Ministry masana ngaktre sahi helaba Mibu Rims ki Director in charge oina hapsille hari. Kurumjari Miyeng tabiriba singbu taramna oksari hojek maru eba pau sandona pijari. Bharat Sarkar ki Ministry of Health and Family Welfare na semjaba sana Kanglon Ministry masana ngaktre administrative post ta thabak tobugi matam helaba Mibu Rims ki Director in charge oina hapsille hari. Transport Department na tongan ba passenger amadi commercial gari auto rickshaw Tata Magic Winger na singba gari sing amukta da punna tax thigedabani haina Transport Department na laurokpa warepu yaning daba phongdoktuna Joint Administrative Council na sangsilakliba khongjanggi manungsana passenger amadi commercial service tawriba gari sianba lepa hokre khongjang asi sabatuna tongan ba lambi singda sianba passenger service ki association singna lambi da lakpa gari kaya thingba ki thabak sathari passenger service toba gari sing lep khibadagi miyam da sauna awaba mayok na hale hari paugi marktana break amatang laminase.
Wanted some electronics mechanics for repairing ISTV set-top boxes at different places: Bisnupur, Thobal, Kangpokpi, Imphal West, Imphal East. Willing electronics or mechanics may contact Secretary ISTV Network.
Second state-level general ability test organized by the cluster of gentlemen from class 8 to 10. First prize rupees 5,000, second prize rupees 3,000, third prize rupees 2,000, 4 to 10 position holders rupees 1,000 each. Forms available at the given stationer. Objective and multiple choice type question. Application fee rupees 100 per applicant. Last date of form submission on 18th May 26th. Competition on 22nd May 2016.
Oza Pain Relief Ointment Khwang naba kok chikpa tang chikpa thu naba singbuda sinaba yarba lipsap gumna puthok saba Oza
Makataba pau pizari Muhammad Imamuddin Kauba Lilong Haino Makhongdigi Miyoi Asibu Maral Kya Pisinduna Hato Pikiba Thawongbo Misi Asigi Matang Semkiba JSC na Yamna Kanna Yaningdaba Phongdokle Mihal asida senaba Miyoi Singh Police Department of Faduna Thabak Laukhat Tababu Yaningdaba Phongdorakle Thawdog asida senaba Miyoi Singh Athuba Matamda Faduna Aingi Oiba Charak Pinanaba Davi Tauri Hockey masana da Manipur dagi sakna daba sanaroi putholabasu Manipur da hockey astortab amadagi hena leitribana sanaroi kaya penadre Kumalampa Hockey Stadium ki quality asi world class ki hudong saba North East da ahanba leba astortab ne hairi Hauzik Sathariba tournament asigi director Hafim Muhammad Khana ISTV da astortab asigi matang da wafum kaya thamlakle
Hockey Manipur has tried their level best to provide the best. They are giving the food, accommodation, transport. Ground is very well. Turf is newly. When we entered, it looks great. So one of the best ground as I have seen. Very good turf, very good ground. I hope in future you will have many turfs where you will conduct the national and international championship.
Indian hockey team gi sanaroi halafana phongdorakpada Manipur na Hauzik Fawa hockey masana da maming leraba sanaroi kaya puthokpa ngamkhre Hauzik leraba estro tapki masing asi hengat hanba tangai fade haike Manipur hockey gi president KSI Thoibana Mari Leinaba department na hockey sananaba estro tap asi kharaga masing hengat hanaba hona haningi haike
Ana Tharamiba Esotapsi, a queen Google Agatamibasi, Masi, utilized over the wood. Ariamba Sum Tamaga, Madu Palalaga Mangan give it to the Koyam Pamui. National Championship Senior level Gitogi Hera Candidate, I quay Pilamataniati. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯪꯅꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯦꯠ ꯂꯤꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤꯁ ꯋꯥꯔꯝ ꯑꯞ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯅꯤꯌꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯔꯃꯤꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯗꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯚꯦꯜ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯤꯜꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ
Fishery Department Laikhidraba amasung sasinaba miyoi kayagi ming hapsinduna asemba ngami singda phangadaba senpham sing phanghandre. Department ki asoiba kaya putoluba RTI activists ayekpam kasojita sakhangdaba singna hatkani haina mobile phone da kihelakle hairi. Masigi matangda hawam marak irom lekai digi ayekpam kasojina singdamai police da wakat khre. Amukka hanna atyan break amatang lominakisi.
Delightful cupcakes with creamy vanilla filling from Winkies, the cake specialist. A magic mix of chocolate and vanilla marble cakes from Winkies, the cake specialist.
Imphal East West amasung Bishnupur district ki oina Manipur government ki regular employees singda service loan lobi khudong chaba pizari athuba matamda amadi araiba moong da lobi ba yagani enna akupa marol gidama contact tobu Imphal Finance Cooperative Thrift and Credit Society Limited head office Loklaubung branch offices Pauna International Market and Bishnupur Bazaar Bishnupur
Makhataba pau kharga pizari New second leba Brighter Academy da class 10 tamniba Mahiroi Muhammad Tarif Lilong se saba matak kunogdagi miyoi asi chatkiba megitang anida hata da leba peace and learning boarding da satkibadagi ngasi phawba thiba khangdre hairi kanagumba singna mahakpu fajin birabasu athuba matamda asoi angam yaudana thadok piro haina irong se saba da pangthokpa miyam gi mifamda JSG convener Yunuf Alina Fondokre Hidamasigi matang da sarkar na atuba matamda mi yang sang biyo hari.
Matari kansin matang hangdana man kisi ko government da ko je ma si thigina na ba hangdana ba ni thang se khara thigina na ba ko je si ma kai de haja ba adu ajan ba kunjan ba thu ga so ma se ko je si mo de thu ma kai de ma se thu ba da imung mun gi awa wa yeng gi ra ka thalo pira na ba ko je si ma so apil taw jare
Loisilakpada maruiba pau amukhana Health Ministry ki sana Kanglod Ministry masana ngaktre sahi helaba mibu RIMS ki director in charge toina hapsil le hari miyeng tabiri bapuna makpo amukahanna kurumjari